You'll typically come across the PCF format when dealing with Valve particle systems for game development or Cisco VPN configuration profiles for network security. One defines cinematic environmental effects, while the other serves as a vital key for establishing encrypted remote connections. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's determine if we are rendering a digital explosion or securing a corporate data tunnel. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming, and it features my favorite single PCF file inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. Within the game industry, this extension identifies particle cloud containers used by the source engine to manage complex visual logic for elements like fire, smoke, and spells. On the administrative side, it functions as a profile configuration file that stores gateway addresses, group authentication keys, and tunnel parameters required to link a local workstation to a protected remote network. Gaming PCF files rely on a binary serialization architecture that maps emitters and initializers to the engine's real-time physics loop, allowing for high-performance visual rendering. In contrast, the networking version is built on a standard text-based INI structure, where specific connection variables are clearly defined in sections, enabling the VPN client to negotiate a secure handshake with a remote firewall. Windows often defaults to associating PCF with the Cisco AnyConnect and Valve Source Engine solution from Cisco Systems and Valve Corporation. Windows prevents native execution, requiring elevation or a digitally signed application. Windows offers limited visibility for this category, so full inspection requires dedicated 3D software. We're going to use the list of installed programs to find the match. Right-click your PCF file, then click Open With. Test Cisco AnyConnect and Valve Source Engine if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Methodical testing works. If the PCF file won't budge, stay calm. Every failure has a cause. Here are the common technical reasons why your system is failing to correctly parse the PCF format. First, distinguishing the purpose. Files found in a particles or media subdirectory of a game like Team Fortress 2 are visual assets. Those located in a profiles or VPN folder are network settings. If you open the file in a text editor and see legible entries like host or auth type, it is a Cisco configuration. If the text editor displays only scrambled machine code and binary symbols, you are looking at a Valve particle file. Next, setup and migration. To adjust or view game effects, you must launch the source SDK or the specific game in Tools mode to access the integrated particle editor. For VPN profiles, because the original Cisco client is largely obsolete, you often need to import these files into a modern alternative like ShrewSoft or ShrewSoft VPN to translate the legacy settings into a format compatible with modern operating systems. Finally, fixing textures and connection timeouts. If a game effect displays pink and black checkerboards, the PCF is functioning, but the linked textures are missing from the directory. For network users, if a connection attempt fails, the entgroup string in the file might be for an older firewall version. You can use a decryption utility to recover the original key and manually input it into a modern VPN client to restore the connection. When this PCF file resists every program you own, it's likely a case of naming overlap. Because so many developers share the same extensions, your computer is essentially guessing the format. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. I strongly recommend FileMagick for its sheer power. It has the rare capacity to bypass corruption in PCF files and reveal the data instantly. That's a feature worth having. FileMagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session. Wishing you the very best.